We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the SeaRoomy Burritos Tortilla Blanket, a novelty throw blanket designed to resemble a giant tortilla. This blanket is available in multiple sizes, ranging from 39 inches to 80 inches, catering to babies, teenagers, adults, and even large enough for beds. The design is highly realistic, making it a fun and humorous way to wrap yourself up like a burrito. Many users appreciate the playful concept and the visual appeal it brings to any room. The blanket is made of premium flannel fabric weighing 280 grams per square meter, which gives it a soft, plush feel while maintaining breathability. This material choice makes the blanket warm without being overly heavy or stuffy, ideal for use as a sofa throw or a bed blanket. Users consistently highlight the softness and warmth of the blanket. The flannel fabric is praised for its cozy texture, making it perfect for lounging, napping, or simply adding a whimsical touch to home decor. The blanket's weight is described as appropriate, not too thin, yet not excessively heavy, providing comfortable warmth in various settings, including cold offices. The blanket also comes with a matching sleep shade, which some users found to be a delightful bonus. Sizing is a crucial point mentioned in many reviews. While the product is offered in several sizes, some customers found the smaller size to be insufficient for older children or adults, noting that the blanket can appear smaller than expected based on the product images. It is strongly recommended to carefully check the size before purchasing to ensure it fits the intended user. When sized correctly, the blanket allows users to fully wrap themselves up, creating the amusing effect of being a giant human burrito. This feature is especially popular among families and couples who enjoy playful moments together. The blanket's novelty design makes it an excellent gift choice for various occasions such as birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Recipients often mention how the blanket brings smiles and laughter, combining humor with practicality. It is a unique gift that stands out from typical blankets, appreciated for both its function and fun factor. On the downside, some reviewers found the product images misleading regarding size, which led to disappointment when the blanket did not meet their expectations for coverage. However, the softness and quality of the fabric remained consistently praised even by those who found the size lacking. The blanket is not water resistant and is designed primarily for indoor use. It is machine washable, which adds convenience for maintenance and long-term use. Overall, the SeaRoomy Burritos Tortilla Blanket offers a blend of comfort, warmth, and novelty. It is a high-quality flannel throw that doubles as a playful accessory to brighten up any living space. Its realistic tortilla print and soft texture make it a fun and cozy addition to your home or a memorable gift for friends and family. If you own this blanket, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this unique item.